As an Amazon seller, do you find it challenging to choose the proper products? Look for reliable suppliers, pick out popular keywords, and set an appropriate product price. Today, I will guide you through the 4 simple tools that can help you save plenty of time and efforts while boosting sales. Before starting, we should first understand how to find the tool entry quickly and accurately. Find the Chrome App Store, type for seller in the search bar, and click Add Extension after you have successfully installed the extension. Here are 4 handy ways to quickly enter the tool interface. First, click the building block button in the upper right corner of the browser. Second, click the For Seller logo in the lower right corner. Third, directly enter the official website address forseller.com. And last, right-click to find For Seller tool after opening the product detailed pages. Use the Amazon product comparison tool to quickly and accurately compare the features of similar products, which will assist Amazon sellers in conducting market research and developing effective marketing strategies. This will help you choose the best product and comprehend the level of market competition. On this interface, you can view product information, price, review, rating, and can also use various other convenient tools autonomously developed by our For Seller team, such as cost-profit calculation, searching for similar products, and finding sources. Additionally, when you hover your mouse over the downward-facing arrow, a new page will display the average rating of reviews for the product, the total number of reviews, and the distribution of reviews from 1 star to 5 stars. In this way, it will show you customer feedback on the product, so as to identify parts for you that should be avoided or improved. Once the product has been selected, where do we look for suppliers? Use the Search by Image on Alibaba tool. It assists Amazon sellers in finding trustworthy, appropriate product suppliers, guaranteeing that both the quality and cost of their goods are competitive. This tool can find trustworthy suppliers on the Alibaba and AliExpress marketplaces. Additionally, categories can be used to further filter products. If you choose to search for a supplier on the Alibaba platform, the interface will provide the product image, title, price, minimum order quantity, and the number of years the store has been operating. Once you have input the shipping to Amazon charge and selected the maximum or minimum profit, the system will additionally take into account the Amazon fees, fulfillment expenses, and storage charges from the Amazon platform to calculate the net profit and margin. Hovering your cursor over the little coin-shaped icon will reveal more details about the product by clicking on the Contact Suppliers button. You may immediately contact the suppliers. There will also be 2 more buttons shown when the cursor is on the product image. When you click the magnifying glass icon, the system will instantly go to another page since it is using the Suppliers Finder tool. The system will immediately switch to the product comparison interface based on the product picture you selected if you click the Amazon icon in a similar manner. There are a few interface modifications. If you decide to search for suppliers on AliExpress, it will additionally provide star ratings and sales volumes in addition to product categories, photos, names, unique pricing, and net profit margins. To increase the product's exposure rate and sales volume, you can also use the ASIN Keyword Finder tool before the Amazon listing is created. Keywords, search ranking trend, click concentration, SUC PPC bid, and growth rate are all official data obtained from the entire Amazon platform. Competition level is an original and exclusive algorithm developed by the For Seller team. You can intuitively select high-quality products with low market competition. The keywords captured from Amazon are displayed in sequence here, and you can directly jump to the Amazon search page for this keyword by clicking it. Search ranking means changes in frequency ranking for this keyword search on Amazon in the last 30 days. The thumbnail chart in trend shows how the keyword has changed in the past 12 months corresponding to specific dates and search rankings. Growth rate refers to the difference between last week and this week's ranking divided by the previous week's ranking, and then multiplied by 100%, so as to see the growth of the ranking. Click concentration is the total percentage of top 3 ASIN clicks to a certain extent. Suggestion PPC bid is from Amazon's suggested bid range and suggested bids for the keyword. Competition level is obtained after combining 3 indicators: a combination of search ranking, top 3 ASIN, click share, and PPC suggested bids. According to a special algorithm, hot keywords are selected by positive order sorting based on keyword search frequency ranking. Trending keywords are sorted in reverse order by subtracting the value of this week's search rank from last week's. Recommend keywords are selected from keywords whose competition level is medium and whose search trend is rising. In filter, you can customize the setting conditions to filter out the data you want. If you are a logged-in user, you could click the export button to download the collected keywords form. Calculating the total revenue is the most crucial part. To make an optimum profit, Amazon sellers can utilize the profit and cost calculator to decide on the pricing of their products. Whether you choose to calculate the profit or cost column in the product information column, the information about the product will be automatically fetched from the Amazon platform, including package dimensions, unique weight, and country. First, let me explain how to calculate profit. Sell price, Amazon fees, fulfillment cost, and storage cost are all values automatically grabbed from the Amazon platform. And the rest of the values marked in red boxes need to be filled in manually. But special attention should be paid to the fulfillment fees and storage cost sections under the FBA fulfillment fees column. You can select inventory placement, opaque bagging, tape, label, bagging, or bubble wrap depends on what you need as service add-ons. Click storage cost to set the month. Average inventory units stored and estimated monthly units sold default to 1, which can be customized. Monthly storage cost per unit is provided by Amazon. Storage cost per unit sold is equal to monthly storage cost per unit multiplied by average inventory units stored divided by estimated monthly units sold. The pie chart on the right is calculated based on the data on the left. What needs special attention is that the system will calculate the ROI based on the algorithm. It can intuitively monitor the ratio of input and output to reflect the profitability of the content that needs to be filled in the cost calculation is quite similar to the profit calculation, except that there is an extra column to fill in the profit. In addition, the value in the product cost in the calculation result means that the recommended single commodity cost can guarantee the profit you want. Please like, follow, and comment if you are interested in the topic. Feel free to leave a comment on the video if there is anything more that you may feel confused about. We'll try our best to respond to your feedback as soon as possible. Don't wait. Let's search it.